important news of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So let's start. Moving to the first news of today's bulletin, Himachal Cabinet meeting today. Corona restrictions may increase. Himachal Pradesh Cabinet meeting is being held under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur at Peterhof, Shimla today. In the midst of the increasing cases of corona, the government can increase the restrictions, especially public meetings can be banned. It can also be decided to reduce the crowd in marriage, religious, social and other functions. There is also less possibility of regular classes for students from September 1 in school and colleges. The government can take decision to continue online classes only when the cases of corona increase. The decision of the ban imposed on the entry of the students in educational institutes will be reviewed in this meeting. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin. Market failed to get fair price of apples in Himachal. Gardeners stopped harvesting. Due to non-receipt of reasonable prices of apples in the markets of Himachal Pradesh, the gardeners have stopped the harvesting. Some gardeners have started moving to outside states instead of selling the apples in the local market. A 28 kg box of clean crop of hail-free apple is also getting a maximum price of rupees 1400. The crops tainted by hail are being sold at the price of straw. Many reasons like floods in the plains, recession spread by corona are believed to be the reason for not increasing apple price. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin. Holy Bath in Mani Mahesh Dal Lake from August 29. The auspicious time for the Holy Bath of Janmashtami of the Holy Mani Mahesh will begin on August 29 at night from 11:24 p.m. This Muhurat will be the whole day on the next day on Monday. On August 30, the Muhurat will remain till 1:59 p.m. Pandit Vipan Sharma told that this is a very long time for the Holy Bath of Mani Mahesh. However, due to the corona pandemic, there is ban on travel for common devotees. Moving ahead to the next news of today's bulletin. Second groundbreaking ceremony to be held in October. Himachal government preparing. In Himachal Pradesh, the second groundbreaking ceremony will be held in Shimla, Baddi or Dharamshala. The first groundbreaking ceremony after the investors meet in Dharamshala was held at Peterhof, Shimla. The state government has signed memorandum of understanding with 703 companies for investment of 96,000 crores in investors meet. In the first groundbreaking ceremony, work is underway on 236 projects with an investment of rupees 13,488 crore. Moving ahead to the next news of today's bulletin, buying third grade apple at rupees 9.5 per kg and giving it to the contractors for rupees 1.25. The collision of some contractors at Parvanu Auction Center has come to light while selling apples procured from the arbitration scheme at HIM FEDS Apple Collection Center. Contractors are pooling and buying apples at very low prices, due to which other agencies of government like HIMFED are also being duped financially. The government has fixed the support price for the third grade apple at rupees 9.5 per kg for the gardeners. It has been increased by 1 rupee from last year. Moving ahead in the bulletin, Naveen reached home from Kabul, welcomed by his sister with a hug. After getting safely out from Afghanistan, after facing many problems, Naveen has finally reached Sarak Ghat at around 12:55 p.m. on Monday. The family was eagerly waiting for his arrival. His mother and his two sisters, who had already prepared to welcome him, performed aarti as soon as he arrived and hugged him. There was tears in the eyes of mother and sister, while Naveen also became emotional during this time. Tears were also visible in his eyes. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin. MA painting syllabus and admission process changed. HPU has changed the syllabus and admission process of MA painting in the Department of Visual Arts. Students seeking admission will have to appear in 1 theory and 2 practical exams. On the basis of this, merit will be prepared for the admission in the course. Out of 150 marks of these 3 examinations, merit will be made only from the marks obtained. Earlier there was 1 theory and 1 practical. The department will also start teaching the newly created syllabus from this session. CBCS has been adopted in this new syllabus. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin. Admission of new session started in Naumi University. Online portal opened. Admission has started for the new session at Naumi University located at Solan in Himachal Pradesh. Students wishing to apply for undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in the university can submit applications online at the admission portal. The last date to apply for undergraduate programs such as BSc Honours Forestry and Biotechnology is 20 September 2021. Students for MSc, MBA, Agribusiness, MBA and PhD program will have to apply by 25th September. This year, the university will offer admission to its various undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs on the basis of Indian Council of Agriculture Research entrance exam scores. This exam will be conducted by NTA National Testing Agency. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin. CM Jairam said, saying its resources and funds, the government is acquiring land. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur said that money is being invested for land acquisition, keeping in mind the resources and the funds that the state governments will have. First, it should be clear that if the project is coming from central government, then what is its stage? What is its final approval? Land can be acquired only after seeing him. The Chief Minister was answering the questions of the journalists on the fact that many projects were hanging due to the non-distribution of land by Union Sports Minister Anurag Thakur. Moving ahead to the next news of today's bulletin. First term examinations of class 9 to 12 will run from September 4 to 14. First term examination of class 9 to 12 will be held from September 4 to 14 in Government School of the Himachal Pradesh. When the schools open, not as offline, then the examinations will be taken online like last year. In 3-hour examination, 40% will be objective and 60% will be subjective questions will be asked from the students. After the online examinations, the answer sheets will have to be sent back to the students after photographing them from the mobile phone. The schedule for the first term examination has been released on Monday by the State Project Officer of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. In the letter issued to the Director of Education, it has been told that if the examinations are held online, then the questions paper will be sent to the students in the form of a password-locked PDF file through WhatsApp. Shortly before the exam, the teacher will share the password with the students. Students have to complete the exam in the stipulated time of 3 hours. Moving to the last news of today's bulletin, Himachal Cabinet's big decision. Approval to fill 4,000 of post of teachers. Cabinet meeting under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Jairam Thakur began at 10:30 am at the State Guest House, Peterhof, Shimla. The cabinet has taken a big decision and approved to fill the post of 4,000 teachers in the education department. 1,360 posts will be filled in higher education, whereas 2,640 posts in elementary education. Cabinet meeting is still going on. The decision to recruit teachers was stalled for a long time. The recruitment was expected to be approved during the last cabinet meeting itself, but then the file was not approved by the finance department. In the cabinet meeting on Tuesday, the government has provided employment opportunities for unemployed youth. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.